Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, was great, but there's just something missing there. Ready for this? This. Amazing! Algarve, a southern region of Portugal, boasts scenic nature, great beaches, boat tours, nice hotels and resorts. In this video, I want to take you to Algarve and give you some travel tips and suggestions that can apply in any season. But before I get into it, if you're new here, please check out my other Portugal travel videos, linked down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get weekly travel videos and behind the scenes posts. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about how to get to Algarve from Lisbon. There are three options: bus, train, and car. And right off the bat, I'll tell you, driving would be the best option, although it's not the cheapest option.
So we did 35 liters, which is 7.5 gallons, 70 euros.
What would it have cost if we did it in the US?
$20.
$20.
Instead of 80. Oh well.
Oh well. If you're coming from the US, just be ready to pay for the hefty gas and tolls. Other than the cost, driving to Algarve from Lisbon makes most sense. Because number one, this is the fastest way to travel. It takes just about 2.5 hours to get to Algarve. If you're taking a bus, it will take more than 3 hours because bus makes a lot of stops and it's just generally slower. If you're taking a train, I heard it will take more than 4 hours to get to Algarve. The thing is, when you're traveling, time is the most expensive currency. I mean, if you are stuck on a road, you're gonna miss a lot of things, such as catching beautiful sunset and trying local cuisine, which is what you're essentially traveling for in the first place, right?
Just thought it, but it tastes really different.
The second reason for driving is that you will benefit from having a car once you arrive in Algarve. Especially if you want to do beach hopping or check out different towns for dining and sightseeing opportunities, definitely make sure to have a car. I haven't tried public transportation in Algarve, but I've seen travelers complaining about it on Google Review. So I would suggest do your own research before you decide to rely on public transportation in Algarve. As for renting a car in Lisbon, it's a fairly easy process. So if you have any questions about it, please let me know in the comments below. First time driving in Portugal. Let's go! Now that we've got the logistics covered, let's finally explore Algarve. Algarve is known as a resort town. I've noticed that a lot of people come here to relax during their summer vacation.
Wow, the view. Wow, nice.
But if you're like me and are going to Algarve just for a couple of days as an extended Lisbon trip during the colder season, don't you worry. There are still plenty of things you can enjoy. Amazing! You must have heard about the stunning ocean caves and the boat tours. These boat tours are pretty much available throughout all seasons. And if you're here during the summer, you will even be able to kayak to these caves and jump into the water if you want. During the winter season, the activities are limited, but you can still take a boat, explore the caves, and have a lot of fun.
It looks like it's pretty dark over there.
I have to say that was really fun, but a little bit scary at the same time. But it was totally worth it. And here's a quick tip for more comfortable boat tour. Bring a windbreaker or wear a lot of layers of clothes because it's going to be very windy and chilly ride. Speaking of weather, I was in Algarve during the mid-February this year, and I've seen some brave people wearing just bikinis, having a dip in the ocean, and swimming in the outdoor pool. Let me see how cold the water is. Not that cold. Not that cold actually. You might be able to jump in for a little afternoon dip. Yeah. Oh wow, it's a swimming pool. See? I hope this says it all. As for the finding boat agency, and here's another tip to pick the right tour for you. Before booking a tour online or over the phone, make sure to ask them where they depart from. Some agencies depart from the beach, making the travel more efficient. Others dock in a marina on a river, which means you need to drive and park there first. Then you need to be on a boat longer just to get to the ocean caves. It's gonna be an hour and 30 minutes boat tour, and we're gonna hit major caves. On the flip side, the boats that do not depart from the beach have generally cheaper rates. For me, the tour I chose departed from a marina in a town called Parchar. Personally though, I didn't mind driving for like 20 minutes from Carboeiro to Parchar because it gave me the opportunity to see other towns, not just main resort area.
More residential area here.
To sum it up, if you don't have a car and don't have much time in Algarve, I'll suggest you choose a tour that lets you embark at a beach. But if you have some time and have a car, it's always a good idea to explore other local towns and save some money on a tour. Chicken? Piri? Piri. Yes, please. Before we move on, I just want to give a quick shout out to my tour agency for giving us one of the most entertaining rides.
That's a circle. That's a 360.
That was a ride. I linked their website down below in the description. Another major thing to do while in Algarve is to walk or hike to the scenic ocean cliffs. Some of the best known areas to do that are Carboeiro Boardwalk and Ponta da Piedade. Personally, I didn't go to either site because the hotel I was staying at had a very easy access to one of the scenic sites. That hotel pool, this is the hill. Don't forget to bring your camera whether you are here during the day or during the sunset. You are guaranteed to get some great photos that you want to frame all around the home. So it's awesome. This hotel has this area where you can take the stairs all the way down to the beach. Very convenient. Lastly, let's talk about where to stay in Algarve. So I've been to Algarve only once and for 2.5 days. That being said, I didn't get to fully explore the lodging options there. But if you're like me who's looking to book something quick and last minute, I highly recommend this 5-star Tivoli resort. Normally, I don't go for a 5-star hotel. I mean, I can't afford it. But this 5-star hotel was pretty affordable, especially during the off-peak season. We paid around $200 for a spacious room that comes with very nice breakfast buffet for 2 people. Good. This hotel also has this amazing view overlooking the ocean and the cliffs. They have an outdoor pool, heated indoor pool, and overall nice amenities.
Ready for a swimming pool?
Ready to go.
Same size.
Yeah.
Let's go!
I think this was the best $200 spent for a hotel in my travel journey. So I'll give 5 stars for this 5-star hotel. Sometimes when you're traveling overseas, especially to the capital cities of the most popular travel destinations, there's this inherent fear of missing out. At the end of the day, we travel not only to be inspired and create memories, but also feel refreshed and energized. On that note, Algarve was a fantastic getaway from our Lisbon trip. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up so I can share new travel videos every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next Thursday.